Welcome to Getting Started for Surveying with 12D Model 15, brought to you by the Civil and Surveying Institute. This course is presented by Noel Burton, who has over 40 years of experience in the surveying industry. In this course, you'll be guided step by step through the 12D Model 15 interface, learning how to navigate menus, toolbars, control bars, and views efficiently. You'll discover how to import and manage survey data, set up your workspace, and create accurate strings, lot outlines, and house layouts. We'll explore practical workflows for preparing data, creating triangulations, and visualizing surfaces in plan, perspective, and section views. You'll also learn essential skills for point numbering, setout plots, and calculating stockpile volumes, from single stockpiles to multiple materials, all within 12D Model. By the end of this course, you'll have the confidence and hands-on skills to manage survey and design data, prepare accurate setouts, and work efficiently with 12D Model 15 in real-world surveying projects. Let's get started and unlock the full potential of your surveying workflow.